In my dream, a single mother in Arkansas creeps out to the chicken coop to collect the fixings for a tasty omelet. Before the babies wake and the screaming begins, she opens wide the henhouse door. With its skin of barbed wire octagons too fine, where her chickens had been, there now hovers a congregation of orbular birds. All pink flesh and stubble and stray feathers, each perforated with suppurating anuses, which pucker and release black egg after black egg. Not just black, but solarized. Each egg falls in slow motion and lands intact on a pyramid of its embryonic siblings. Each egg throbs softly in the early morning silence. Later, when she cracks them open to find that their yolks are wet clusters of silvery fur, she cooks them out of curiosity. Her omelet sobs a puddle of star-studded blood. It tastes like a battery made of oily sponges as she chews. Her head gets soft and sculpts itself into a miniature plantation house fire. Her windows vomit sizzling jelly. Outside, the sky, as we know it, is fried into white darkness. At the very same moment, in my dream, in some desert war zone, a soldier removes his itchy helmet to find that barnacles have collected there. His scalp is plastered with algae, and the skull beneath his scalp is fissured and furrowed and textured like some bony reef. The pills they gave him have instilled a tolerance for nightmares, an ambivalence even. Nonetheless, something stirs in him, something liquid within him that the lacerating sunbeams will never boil. He abandons his post and goes wandering, his silhouette sluicing into pools of mirage. He remembers that he was born to milk every lizard he sees and to shave every goat he knows. Everything but lizard milk is deleted before his bloodshot goggles. A jackal misses its cue, and nothing howls out here but the emptiness. Meanwhile, also in my dream, the president of some other America is inviting an invasive insect surgeon into the fetid moisture of his oval orifice. She looks like some ungodly cross between an emaciated runway model, a medieval plague doctor, and a mechanical praying mantis. She shreds his most expensive suit and peels him like a piece of fruit, spinning cum-slick puzzle webs out of bubblegum and blood. A conference call with a consortium of world leaders is still in progress. In their citadels and skyscrapers and satellites and embassies, they ritually masturbate to the tune of this wet shredding. Oh, they mumble insincere condolences and cry like robot babies. The surgeon folds herself and finds a place inside him where she can gestate. She stitches the oval hole closed behind her. The zeppelins overhead catch fire in unison, but they will never, ever touch the ground. Never.